Hello, Abuti. What are you doing? Oh, today we're learning about occupations. Can you guess what Abuti is pretending to be right now? Very good. He's pretending to be a teacher. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Utisha means teacher. And when you want to say I am something, you use ngi and ngu. I am. But remember, in isiZulu, we put all these words together, so it becomes ngingutisha. Can you guess what Abuti is pretending to be right now? That's right. He's pretending to be a priest or a pastor. And can you guess what Abuti is pretending to be right now? That's right. He's pretending to be a doctor. And what is Abuti pretending to be now? That's right. He's pretending to be a policeman. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain some more. Did you notice to say I am a policeman, you say ngiyipoyisa? So, we take ngi and ipoyisa and we put them together to form ngiyipoyisa. So, we have udokotela, umfundisi, utisha, and ipoyisa. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.